Assalamu alaikum and hello to my beautiful viewers. Today I'm making Degi Aloo Gosht. So let's get started. So firstly I have ingredients here, which is I'm using 1.5 pound or about 750 grams goat meat. You can use lamb meat, beef meat, or you can do it with the chicken as well. I have 2 cups of water, half cup yogurt, 1 onion which is I'm gonna fry and make a paste, 4 green chilies, I'm using 6 small potatoes, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Here I have coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, and here my Degi Mirch, or you can use the Kashmiri lal mirch or paprika powder, 1.5 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon haldi, and 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. I'm using some whole garam masalas, which is half teaspoon black peppercorn, 3 cardamom, this is my Badiyan phool, and cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, and cloves. I'm using like 5 cloves. So firstly I'm gonna turn on the saute mode. I'm gonna add a ghee, which is 1/3 cup. 4 cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves, peppercorn, cardamom, and everything. Tablespoon ginger and 1 tablespoon garlic paste, ginger garlic paste. So now we are adding this red chili flakes, haldi, Degi Mirch or Kashmiri lal mirch, Zeera powder, red chili powder. This one is coriander powder, and 1.5 teaspoon salt, or up to your taste. So all the masalas will go in. Now we'll add this onion paste. I just simply fry the onion and I just grind it to make a smooth paste. So after 1 minute, I'm gonna add my 2 cups of water. I'm gonna simply cancel. So I'm gonna pressure cook for 15 minutes. Pressure cook. Now at this point we're gonna add our potatoes cut into halves. कैसे काटे हुए potato, and then green chilies. So now we can pressure cook our potatoes for 2 to 5 minutes, and I'll see you after that. Mashallah, mutton and potato curry looks so beautiful and the smell is so good. You just need to garnish with the cilantro and half teaspoon garam masala and some lemons. As you can see, the boti is also tender. The meat is really tender. Let me dish it out. So guys, here is my aloo gosht, Degi Aloo Gosht recipe is ready to be served. It's very tasty and please do try it. And if you like my recipe, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And I'm gonna end my video with the dua that Allah Pak हम सब पर रहमत फरमाए, हमारे माँ बाप पर, हमारे बच्चों पर, especially हमारी बेटियों पर. अल्लाह पाक हम सब की हिफाजत करे और आप सबको खुश रखे. Allah Hafiz. I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe.